Turns to retract bags. Turns to retract, allowing bags to be quickly reinserted and easily torn. Trendy on-the-go collection. The Ubbi bag dispenser is a part of a trendy on-the-go collection, making diaper changes quick and easy, convenient. Holds up rolls of 12 bags that easily refill. Multi-use. On-the-go bag refills are a great item for quick cleanup for baby or pet. Bonus includes 24 lavender-scented bags and an easy-to-use silicone strap that conveniently hangs on strollers and diaper bags. Registry ready. A registry must-have for quick and comfortable changes, perfect for baby showers, a giftable and convenient essential for new parents on the go. The Ubbi team works together to bring the best in design and value. Within the lines, you'll find modern baby nursery essentials on the go at EMs for baby girls, baby boys, and parents. Two parents stare at their baby, who's giggling and then grunting. Parent 1. Oh no, the dreaded diaper change strikes again. Parent 2. Quick, grab the wipes. Wait, where are the bags? Chaos ensues as they rummage through the diaper bag like it's a treasure hunt. Parent 1. Why do we always lose the bags? It's like they vanish. Parent 2. I swear, they're plotting against us. Bag rebellion is real. Baby doll giggles, clearly enjoying the drama as babies do. Parent 1. We need a solution. Something compact, easy, and foolproof. Parent 2. And maybe lavender-scented because, wow, this diaper smells like regret. Narrator. Introducing the Ubbi retractable on-the-go bag dispenser. Problem solved. Customer reviews. 8 out of 5 stars, no one. Good for babies or animals, too. As a first-time mom, I think this is great to have when you're in public. No stinky smells around here. 3, definitely a must-have for dirty diapers. It's very lightly scented, pleasant color and design. It's a great quality, thick bag. Good purchase for the price.